Today we're going to take a look at our art kits for the notebook project. So everybody's going to get their own box, their own kit. You guys will keep these in your lockers. If you are quarantined, you will need to pick up the kit. You can either send a friend or a parent or someone to come get your equipment. All right, today we're going to start with this first video is what is in my art kit. So this is kit number 100. Let's take a look and see what's in here. All right, so the order might be a little different, but you should have 2 pieces of cardboard. This is going to be the outside edge of your notebook. And then you have 2 pieces of binding, and one should be 9 inches and one should be 9.5 inches. So one is the same length as the cardboards, and this one's a little bit smaller. Okay, you're going to have some wood tools. Now everybody has a little bit different. This one, I'm going to go ahead and open these up. These are your standard. These are your standard tools. These are boxwood tools. Your tools might look a little different because there were some variants in the kits. So there should be 3 wood tools. There should be a black tool that's called a 10-second tool. These are made out of rubber with a metal end. There should be a stylus, and the stylus are different colors. Some are blue, some are white, some are black, some are multicolor. So there's a variety. There's some orange ones. And then this is a small wood stylus. So those 6 tools are for embossing. You should have a roll of tape, masking tape. And you should have a needle. Now, most of the needles are stuck into either a sponge or a piece of styrofoam. And so you might just see, what's that piece of styrofoam there? It's so that you don't lose the needle. You should have a glue stick. You should have a couple of binder clips. A piece of string, a piece of black. This is a heavy-duty thread that we're going to use for bookbinding. You'll have 1 piece of bookbinding fabric, and then your paper. Okay, your paper, you will either have black or teal or red or blue or something, colored construction paper, a couple pieces of that, and then you'll have 20 sheets of white paper.